Now that the main object basically is ready, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create the second object right there, and using the same method, creating a cross section, extrude it and subtract it from the main geometry. I'm going to go back here. What I'm going to do first is that I'm going to change my UCS and change it and place it here and pressing enter. So now the UCS is changed. What I'm gonna do is that for the ease of working, I'm gonna change the visualize to wireframe and changing the polar tracking this time. I'm turning the polar tracking basically on and start my drawing. So if I zoom in here, I'm gonna draw a line and I'm gonna draw from the midpoint, basically 10 units down, and then making sure that I am in the x-axis, and I'm gonna type 5 and going all the way down, that's gonna be 10. And now you have to be making sure that's basically 120 degree, and or drawing it all the way down to here. Okay, you can also turn off the grid. That's gonna help you as well when you're working with this drawing, because that's gonna let me turn that off as well, so that's gonna be easier to navigate. Now I'm going to draw another line. This time I'm going to use the midpoint and I'm going to bring it all the way up to here. And another line from here to here. Okay, I'm going to use trim and get rid of that piece. I also draw a first line, which is I don't need it at this point, and I'm going to delete that one as well. So what I need to do is that first joining this line, selecting all lines that I have, basically that cross section, half of that cross section, and I have that cross section ready. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to extrude it again, selecting this cross section, and I can go all the way to the other side. Remember, you can also use path in order to extrude, but since it's a one direction, I'm not using a path, so I'm going to bring it down, way down